La 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 la.
Hey love, and welcome back to the channel. So if you did not know, chocolate chip cookies are my absolute favorite thing in the entire world. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this delectable brown butter chocolate chip cookie. Get into it. These cookies are so good and so easy, you're never going to buy store-bought cookies again. So let's get started. So we're going to start off with 2 sticks of butter, unsalted preferably. We are going to let that melt. Make sure you're watching the stove really well because this does turn brown pretty quick if you're on medium-high heat. So once the butter has turned brown, we are going to set this aside to cool. In a separate bowl, we're going to combine 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of white sugar, and then the brown butter that we left cool aside. We're going to make sure that we get all of the brown butter pieces out of there because that is where all your flavor is, and it's going to give it that caramel nutty flavor. We're going to go ahead and give that a good whisk. And guys, all of the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box for your convenience. Next, we're going to be adding 2 large eggs to the mixture. Next, we're going to add about a tablespoon of vanilla extract, about a teaspoon to a teaspoon and a half of table salt. Give that a good whisk. Trust me, you will need that table salt just because it does balance out the flavor. It's going to give it that perfect balance. It's not going to leave your cookies salty, trust me. Now I am adding sifted flour. Be sure to sift your flour so that way you don't have any lumps. I'm going to be adding baking soda, cornstarch, and then finally the semi-sweet chocolate chips. We're going to fold this together. Be sure that you're not over mixing because you don't want the dough to turn tough. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a beat. Make sure you like the video and share it with your friends and family. Leave me a comment down below telling me what's your favorite cookie. So now we're going to put some saran wrap over the bowl and put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to an hour. Once that has been completed, we are now going to scoop these cookies out. I am using an ice cream scooper on parchment paper, and I am going to roll them into some small balls, and then I am going to bake these cookies on 350 degrees for about 7 to 8 minutes. When you pull them out, they will be a little appear to be undercooked, but that's perfect because once they cool down, they will harden up, and we don't want overly cooked cookies, y'all, because I love my cookies still soft and still chewable. These are going to be the perfect cookies, and I'm telling y'all, you're going to want to make them exactly like this. So until next time, guys, I really appreciate you guys for tuning in. Thanks so much for watching. I love you. Bye.